One second. Hey, it's Diane. We are here with some friends. Murry. Oops, let me turn it around. Murry and Dawn. I'm sorry, Murry and Trinna and Dawn Daffinee. And we are with Ricardo at El Torrito restaurant here next to the Tiny Gecko with Carmen, who is showing us a cooking class. We're making pork tacos. And we have been here for about 45 minutes. This is the tacos. We've been simmering the pork with lots of things. It is almost ready to go. You can see it's hot and bubbly. We just learned how to make Mexican red rice. And it's almost ready to go. And Carmen right now is cooking garlic. And she just cooked some chilies. See the big pot of chilies right over there. And we're making another dish of the cooked chilies. So we're having a wonderful class here at Ricardo's El Torrito Mexican restaurant with master Veracruz chef Ricardo and Carmen, and we're having a ball, aren't we, ladies? Yes, and we're doing this Mexican style with adult beverages. And we just had guacamole. We ate it all. Here is a very spicy Mexican sauce that none of us dares to eat because it is hot, hot, hot. And we just wiped out this mild sauce that's made fresh, uncooked in a molcajete. So we're having a ball. What do you think, everybody? Yay!
Yay! And we're doing this courtesy of the Amazing Race. Second place winners.
You had the certificate here.
And we have invited our lovely friends, and we thank you for bringing this prize to us. It's beautiful. Thank you.
And all this wonderful food is made in this teeny tiny kitchen, but it works, doesn't it? Everybody, greetings from paradise. Yay!